Hello! In this video, we'll learn how to use the First Appointment with New Prospects report. On the Reports page, click on First Appointment with New Prospects. There are two important things to keep in mind when using this report. First, it only includes appointments categorized as first visit, not a client. All other appointments are filtered out. Second, this report is based on the appointment date, not the contact creation date. This report shows the number of first appointments set during this period. It tracks business performance from three key perspectives. It tracks performance by advisors, schedulers, and appointment sources within the advisor and scheduler views. This report answers questions like how many first appointments are coming from each source. For example, scrolling to the bottom of the report shows how many first appointments come from YouTube, referrals, seminars, and other sources. Another key question is, how many first appointments are booked by each scheduler? To check, scroll to the top and switch to the scheduler view. The system tracks this automatically. Who's booking the appointments? Here, you'll see the scheduler's name, the number of appointments set, the number of first appointments kept, and the conversion ratio. Another important question this report answers is what is the quality of leads measured by first appointments kept, by source, scheduler, or advisor? For example, switching to the advisor view and scrolling down shows the first appointments kept for each source or campaign. For example, in this report, YouTube has a high kept rate of 93%, generating leads with high retention. The kept ratio percentage indicates the quality of leads produced from different sources. A higher kept rate suggests that leads from that source are more engaged and likely to convert. Another important question this report answers is, what is the conversion rate per advisor from first appointments to clients? This section of the report shows the advisor's name, the number of appointments set, the number of appointments kept, the kept ratio percentage, and how many of those appointments resulted in new clients per advisor. It also tracks the kept-to-client conversion ratio, showing how many of the kept appointments turned into clients. Additionally, it shows how many appointments are still pending, meaning they haven't converted yet, but also haven't been lost. Another key metric in this report is the potential close rate, which helps evaluate the likelihood of pending appointments converting into clients. The report also includes aggregated data, summarizing overall performance. This section provides a summary of first appointments, including the total number of first appointments set, the number of appointments kept during the period, those that were canceled, marked as no-shows, or resulted in new clients, the amount issued from those appointments based on the head of household, and the average case size. To see these ratios for a specific advisor, apply a filter here. Selecting an advisor will filter the entire report accordingly. For example, if you want to compare two channels or sources side by side, you can first unselect all channels and then select only the two you want to compare. Once selected, scroll down to see a side-by-side comparison of their performance in the report. To view the source data, scroll down. This will show the list of appointments included in the report. Click on the three dots here to export the data to Excel or Google Sheets for further analysis. So this is the First Appointment report. It's one of the most important reports in LeadCenter, helping you measure the overall health of your business, assess lead quality, measure scheduler performance in booking appointments, and evaluate advisors' effectiveness in converting first appointments into clients. Thank you for watching.